Have you considered the ethical implications of AI in customer service? As businesses rely more on AI, responsibility becomes essential. Technology alone is not enough. Transparency is critical. Customers deserve honesty. They should know when they are interacting with AI. Clear communication builds confidence. It shows respect for customer privacy. When companies prioritize ethical practices, trust grows. Customers feel valued. They feel protected. Efficiency is important, but ethics matter just as much. Innovation must move forward responsibly. Bias in AI systems is another major concern. If ignored, bias can harm customers. Some groups may receive unfair treatment. This is not acceptable. AI must serve everyone equally. Continuous training is necessary. Diverse data sets are essential. They help AI learn accurately. The more inclusive the data, the better the outcomes. AI becomes more balanced. Decisions become more just. Customer feedback also plays a vital role. Listening improves accuracy. When customers share experiences, companies learn. Systems improve. Service becomes more inclusive. By addressing these ethical issues, businesses gain trust. They also create safer environments. Everyone benefits. Proactive engagement is key. Companies should not wait for problems. They should invite conversation. Open feedback channels matter. Surveys provide insight. Forums encourage discussion. These tools reveal real experiences. They highlight strengths. They expose areas for improvement. Listening is only the first step. Responding completes the process. Action builds credibility. This creates a cycle of improvement. AI becomes more user-friendly. Service becomes more effective. Ethical practices strengthen relationships. Transparency increases loyalty. Satisfaction grows over time. AI offers many advantages. Speed improves. Availability expands. But challenges remain. They require constant attention. Responsible integration is ongoing work. Vigilance is essential. Adaptability is required. Ethical standards must evolve. Staff training plays a critical role. Employees must understand AI systems. They must know how to guide customers. Regular updates keep AI aligned with values. Technology must reflect current expectations. Ethics should never lag behind innovation. Human connection still matters. AI should support, not replace it. Customers value empathy. Personal touch builds loyalty. Understanding builds trust. Care builds long-term relationships. The balance between AI and humanity is delicate. Efficiency must not erase compassion. Technology must enhance service, not dominate it. When done right, trust is reinforced. Confidence increases. Customer experiences improve. Ultimately, mindful integration leads to better outcomes. Confidence increases. Businesses grow stronger. The partnership between AI and customer service holds great potential. Efficiency and ethics can coexist. Innovation and responsibility can align. This transformation benefits everyone. Customers feel safe. Businesses remain competitive. In the next video we will discuss about AI-enhanced customer support. Stay connected with us. Thank you.